Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash that like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And today I'm out here at the park. Lately it's been very bad weather, and summer is over. It's fall, and so I've been having a hard time getting videos shot outdoors because we've been having a lot of crummy weather. But today we had a break in the weather. No more rain. It's pretty much a nice day, and so I'm out here with one of my throwback quads. This is the Huiying Toys 852, I believe it is. There's an 853 too, but that one has a slightly different body, but they're basically the same quad. But this guy is a really nice flyer from Huiying, and Huiying Toys has their own protocol on deviation, so I will be flying this with a multi-protocol transmitter. And I have quite a few of these. I think I actually had 4 in this body shape, and I think I had 3 of the HY853, which is the other body shape. And I don't know which one I like better, the spaceship look or this one here, the little gremlin look. But anyhow, I brought this guy out to the park to have some fun with it. Pretty powerful motors on these things, so you can do manual flips at ease with these little guys. And I did add some CG022 props on it to give it a little more lift. And so I really have no problem with doing manual flips with this guy. It does cheater flips with its one button press flips. But hopefully the battery is really old. Hopefully the battery acts right on me. Hopefully the battery doesn't act weird and give up on me. Hopefully it can hold the charge. But let's get this guy up in the air. I did bring a spare battery out just in case this battery here isn't up to the task. Oh, something has to be reversed on this thing. Oh, everything looks like it has to be reversed. Let's see. Yeah, let me bring it down. It's breaking my brain right now. This should be flying correctly now. Yep, everything's okay now. Let's get away from the music before I get me a strike on YouTube. These guys don't have a whole lot of pics, but I think I remember it having more pics than it's showing now. Let's try a manual flip though. Oh! And it couldn't fight its way up. Let me check the settings on here. Make sure everything's turned all the way up. Looks like it is. Elevator is definitely turned all the way up. So let's see. Look like this battery might have conked out on me. Let's swap it out. Okay. Here we go. Manual flip. Okay. So we're flying good now. I should have brought one of my different color versions of this guy. Not sure if you guys can see the black that good. Oh! And a lot of times you got to catch it just right on the manual flip, or it does that. It'll shake itself out of the sky. So let's try it again. I was trying to go up high though so you guys can see it. Here we go. It's doing good now. Let's try button press flip. There you go. This guy's fighting the wind, trying to come back to me. It's a very mild wind, so I think it just might be tricked up a little bit, the accelerometer or whatnot, because it's having a hard time flying forward for me, and the breeze isn't that strong. Okay, so it's regaining its pitch back, I guess. Manual flip there. Oh. Let's try to do a double button press flip. Button press flip. Oh, I think I might have did a triple. Whoa, and that was crazy right there. Time to drop them. I landed it pretty smooth there though, but I had to drop it. It was going too close to the trees and I couldn't get it to pitch the way I wanted to. That one flip it did was awesome though. And it's acting real punchy now. I think I might have to recalibrate the accelerometer or something. Let's sit this guy on a flat surface in the grass here. Try to recalibrate. I can't really see the eyes. Here we go. Okay, we should be set to go again. It's still acting weird on me. It's got unbelievable punch all of a sudden. Really jumpy. Yeah, the accelerometer is really confused on this guy now. I think I flipped it a little too much. Got too wild with it. Really touchy on throttle now. Sheesh, and I can't get this guy to fly smooth anymore. Let me get it on a hard surface. See if I can get it to act right. Store it right here. Okay, it should be leveled out now. It's still acting weird on me. Yeah, it's acting weird, guys. It's doing all this jerky wobbling around and stuff, and the throttle was really jumpy. It wants to shoot up in the air, but then as soon as I try to lower it, it cuts throttle completely. So seems like no middle ground there. It's just all or nothing with the throttle all of a sudden. And it could just be because this flight controller is old on this guy. Yeah, I think I'm not going to be able to fly it. Let me unplug it and plug it back up and see if that works for it. Yep, that's what I should have did the first time. Seems like he's back to normal, but the battery is dead now. So I guess that's going to conclude our flight with this guy. The Huiying Toys HY852. Pretty awesome flyer, but I really confused the accelerometer with all that manual flipping and flipping crazy with it. And it got wacky on me, but we got it back, but the battery is dead. Thanks for watching.